That day was special because my little brother and I were getting baptized. I was happy. It was a big day for our family. The only bad thing that happened was that some people got into an argument. That was the worst part of the day for me. It made me sad because I wanted everyone to be happy on this special day. But even though that happened, I still remember how happy I was to be baptized with my brother. This is me and my sister. That time, we were going to the mall because it's our family band. We went shopping to buy some toys and things that we like, and I was very happy that time. And that day was a special day. This is me when I was 6 years old. And that time we are leaving because we are moving to our new house. I met new people, played with other kids, and became friends with them. This is me when I was a grade 2 student. That time is my recognition day, and my older sister is the one who attend, and that time I was happy because I was awarded for being a good student. This is me when I was a grade 6. I remember that day my mom bought me a cell phone, and I was so happy because I got a cell phone. This is me when I was a grade 7 student. New school, new friends, and a new version of myself. I was very happy those times, and I will never forget them. This is me when I was a grade 8 student. Those times, days, and minutes was one of the happiest that happened in my high school life because I found my first circle of friends. This is me when I was in grade 10. That time was my graduation day, and it was COVID that time. And for me, that was the worst that happened in my life because I can't go to the mall and meet my friends. This is me when I was a grade 11 senior high school student. During my senior high school, I had many memories that were formed because I meet my wonderful friends. And every time I remember those memories, I cry because I miss them and happy at the same time. During those days, it was one of the happiest things that happened in my life. I hope they are doing good. I remember that time I was walking to my best friend's house because we were going to surprise him on his birthday. When I think about that day, I feel happy and relieved at the same time because I made my best friend happy on his birthday. That day, it's our pictorial for our graduation. I was happy at the time because I could finally graduate from senior high school. Those days were our OJT in our work immersion. It was so much fun because I was with my classmates, and at that time we stayed in. And I learned a lot during our OJT, like making a concoction, planting production mushroom, and many other things. Even though the OJT was tiring, it's still fun because when we have time or break time, we bond with my classmates. That day was my graduation, and I was very happy at the time because I made my parents happy and proud. Everything I worked for was worth it, and I was very blessed to have them as my parents. And now, this is me. I'm in college doing my best so that I can graduate. It's hard, but I can do it for my dreams.